Samsung's upcoming Galaxy watches have leaked almost completely ahead of launch. Prominent tipster Blass just dropped an extensive batch of official promotional images for the Galaxy Watch 9, quickly followed by a complete high-res look at the Galaxy Watch Ultra 2. Together, these leaks strip away most of the mystery and reveal what Samsung is planning for its next-gen wearables. So let's take a look. Starting with the Galaxy Watch 9, the design remains familiar but with a cleaner and more refined look. The leaked renders show three colors: cream, graphite, and silver, with the silver model paired with a new olive green band. Samsung also appears to have created a brand new minimalist watch face, which we actually covered in a previous video. The biggest upgrades are in software and under the hood. Samsung is introducing Vitals, a dashboard that combines multiple health metrics into one screen, along with a new heart health score that takes into account sleep, activity, stress, and other data to provide an overall cardiovascular assessment. The leaks also showcase a redesigned running coach, energy score, sleep score, and continued support for sleep apnea detection. To power all this, Samsung is making a massive shift. A promotional image openly advertises the watch as powered by Snapdragon Wear Elite, confirming Samsung is moving away from its own Exynos chips. This 3nm processor features a dedicated neural processing unit, NPU, for on-device AI. This means the watch can handle tasks like smart replies, AI fitness coaching, and AI processing locally without needing to constantly ping your paired smartphone. Both watches are also reportedly jumping to Bluetooth 6.0 for enhanced and efficient connectivity. Now moving to the Galaxy Watch Ultra 2, it gets the exact same Snapdragon Wear Elite chip to power those local AI features, but the rest of the focus shifts entirely to rugged hardware. The watch keeps its controversial squircle shape, but adds a numbered bezel ring as a stylish nod to the beloved classic series. The leaked promo images also highlight a display capable of up to 5,000 nits of brightness, a much larger 800 mAh battery, a refined titanium case, IP69K protection, and a body that's claimed to be 12% thinner than the previous Ultra. It also appears in a new dark gunmetal finish paired with an olive green strap. What stands out most is how Samsung is positioning these watches. The Galaxy Watch 9 is clearly aimed at users who want smarter health tracking, localized AI-powered insights, and everyday fitness features. Meanwhile, the Galaxy Watch Ultra 2 offers the exact same massive processor upgrade, but wraps it in maximum durability, extended battery life, and a design built for outdoor adventures. With Samsung's launch event just around the corner, these leaks have already given us a very clear picture of what's coming. But what do you think? Which one would you pick? The health-focused Galaxy Watch 9 or the rugged Galaxy Watch Ultra 2? Let me know in the comments, and as always, I'll keep you updated with any new leaks. Peace.